Today is August 17, 2025, and this is the tour of the garden. And there is some good news. I have some grapes ripening, and the red is really ripe. The green are just turning, and I'm letting them be to see how ripe and sweet they can get. And the bad news is the squirrels and I think the chipmunks and the raccoons got all the ones that I haven't bagged. So there were like hundreds of grape bunches, but yeah, I have few left. And then I have some chili peppers here growing, and here and here, and some cherry tomatoes, more peppers, and some daisies. And I have some more figs. And oh yeah, the peppers here are turning. So nice and long. And there is my figs. Let's see. And down there. Oh, about 6. Oh yeah, these are some more grapes. These are green grapes, and they are almost ready. And now there's some tomatoes. Still green. And I have cantaloupes. Last one over here, one here. So nice big one here. I think there should be one over there. And the tomatoes. And these are the zinnias, and the monarchs seem to love it. I've seen them a few times on my zinnias. Then the cucumbers. There's one ready to be picked. And more peppers, sweet peppers, and the orange ones are ready to be picked. So nice. I think these are the best peppers I've ever had. I mean, growing in my garden. And one came off when I was trying to put the support in. And this is the only fig I had, the Floria, beginning of August, and then as soon as I picked one, the second one started up, so maybe I'll get to eat that in October. And more peppers over here, turning red. And if we go over on this side, oh yeah, I'll show you this. This is the only pluot which is left. This one tastes so good, so I'm waiting for it to ripen as much as possible. And this is the broccoli which went to flower, and the flowers taste really nice. I can eat some. And this is my new fig tree that I grew from cutting. It's growing so well. So are the kale. Huge. Look at these leaves. And then this eggplant. Alright, there's one right here ready to be picked. So I cleaned up the garden a bit. I'll take the video and then harvest the stuff. Oh, broccoli. Not perfect, but good to eat. And the tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Garden's doing good. There's always something to eat. This is the weed, but I eat it, so I let it grow. This is lamb's quarter, wild spinach. I'll cook it with lentils. Healthy.